Want a smarter way to stay connected with your kids during emergencies? You can create an SOS automation on your iPhone 17 that automatically responds to a specific message and triggers an alert action. This setup can raise volume, disable silent mode, and even start a video call instantly. Before you begin, make sure your children are saved in your contacts and use a unique keyword like SOS for help or SOS to avoid accidental triggers. Now let's set it up. First, open the Shortcuts app. Then go to the Automation tab. Tap New Automation or the plus icon, then select Message. Under Sender, tap Any Sender, then tap the plus icon and select your children's contacts. After selecting contacts, tap the blue check to confirm. Next, tap Choose next to Message Contains, then enter your keyword like SOS for help, SOS, or other relevant texts, and then tap Done. Set it to Run immediately so it works without confirmation. Then tap Next. Here, let's create a new blank automation, then tap Add Action. Search for Set Silent Mode, then set it to Turn Silent Mode Off. For the second action, tap Add Action again. Search for Set Volume and adjust it to 100%. Now for the third action, tap Add Action again, search for FaceTime, then choose a contact or use the shortcut input to call the sender directly. Once everything is set, tap Then. To test it, send the keyword message from another phone and check if your iPhone 17 rings at full volume and starts the call automatically. For better reliability, make sure focus modes don't block messages from your selected contacts. You can also expand this automation by adding more actions or assigning it to the Action button for quick manual use. And that's it. If you found this setup helpful, give it a like and explore more tips to make your iPhone 17 smarter and safer. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more practical tech guides.